Ning, where you going? So, Fry? Doing an interview here. What is it that you're doing, Fry? Going to school?
Duty.
Duty?
Oh, and PlayStation.
Where?
Escalante PlayStation.
And this is what part of your schooling?
This is part of a practicum practice. Fourth year because I'm graduating.
You're graduating this year?
Yeah, but we have one more problem making thesis. Not yet finished.
Really?
Yep. Praying for that.
Do you know that there is a church that's responsible for your going to school? Did you know that?
Yep.
Are you hiding? You do? You know that? Ning!
Yes.
This is Ning
Nining from the Bukid.
from the Bukid.
Hello, oy. Hi. Good evening. Hi
What-
naman ni, wala naman ni bulak, ani puro naman ni green.
What does Jesus mean to you, Ning?
Jesus is my savior.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long have you known the Lord?
Hello, oy, since 1994 pa. Hello, oy. I know na.
How many years is that?
Yes, 94.
94 namatay siya.
Ayaw na kagaling ito na.
Namatay
Is that true?
Ala, oy, ang kulimin sorry. So, guys, oy.
94?
No, 94, I baptized. I baptized ko ang kulimin ay, oy. But I know, kuan.
I am born in a Christian
Born.
family.
Ako?
Ah, di ka say
No, not a Christian. My mother is, kuan. My father is a witchcraft.
Oh,
My
no.
mother is, you know that, praying the patay, the rosary, and I'm the one to kuan unta.
You will be
You're the one to what?
The heir.
The heir of kuan.
You inherited
Inherited.
She will inherit, but
you inherited the
thanks
spirit.
to God.
Yeah.
Hindi.
Ay.
Ako nga na siya.
Ay. Oh.
Kay ka na siya.
Yeah.
Ako siya ning gwapa.
Haya, thanks Uncle David, no, kay I'm planning
Walang biyak ko
to
na
go to Manila. Wala lang. And exactly. You need a helper. That's the kuan Uncle David. Uy.
At that time, that's the time
That you were born again?
that
Yeah.
you came
Born
Born again.
Not born.
That's the time you came to Bacolod
Yeah.
and worked for us in
Yeah.
what was that?
Yeah, 1989.
1989.
89.
This is 2009.
Ay,
20 years ago.
20 years now, Uncle David.
Can you believe that?
Yeah, believe na.
Alicia.
Mga oras pa. Okay na eh.
Yes.
Kanilang, ano siya.
Wow.
Kaya duwagin ko sa ning.
That's amazing. Nice flower. Guwapo, no?
Ano na ito, bulak ning, kagna ba yung mga ano, may sa pamalit ning no?
Ano na, may bulak